Bitverse Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Bitverse Wallet app aims to redefine what it means to manage digital assets in the world. But with so many wallets out there, does Bitverse actually stand out? Let's explore its biggest pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Bitverse is designed for the multi-chain era. It supports assets across major blockchains including Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, and more. This flexibility lets you swap, stake, and manage tokens without needing multiple wallets. One of Bitverse's most unique features is its integration with gaming and NFTs. It's built for users who want to access games and digital collectibles in one ecosystem. You can connect your wallet directly to supported games, track NFT assets, and interact with decentralized applications seamlessly. Bitverse also offers built-in DeFi tools such as portfolio tracking, token swaps, and staking dashboards. For users who enjoy managing yield or exploring new protocols, having everything inside one interface is a major advantage. When it comes to security, Bitverse implements strong encryption and private key control, giving users full ownership of their funds. Your keys stay on your device, not on a central server, an essential feature for maintaining true decentralization. Now for the cons. Because Bitverse offers so many features, it can feel a bit complex for beginners. Navigating between DeFi, NFTs, and gaming options might overwhelm someone just starting in crypto. Another downside is that, while it supports multiple chains, network performance can fluctuate. Some transactions may take longer or require manual network switching, which can frustrate less technical users. Finally, Bitverse is still growing its ecosystem, so compatibility with some dApps may be limited compared to more established wallets like MetaMask. In summary, the Bitverse Wallet app is a powerhouse for web users who want everything DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and cross-chain access in one secure platform. It's perfect for experienced users exploring the future of decentralized digital life, though beginners may prefer something simpler to start with.